especially niggas, our entire lives as one of the most conscious generations on the planet, breaking generational curses. We have set out to make money, get land, buy houses, not be poor, have our babies at home. But here we are. As I explained to you, that you have the mission of breaking one of the most important generational curses of your entire life. Yes, parasites can pass through DNA, meaning their genetic material can become integrated into the host genome and potentially be transmitted to the offspring through sperm or egg cells, allowing the parasite to be inherited by the next generation. This phenomenon has been observed with parasites like Trypasm crucine, I can't really pronounce it correctly, which causes Chagas disease, where parts of the parasite DNA can be found within the host white blood cells, potentially impacting future generations. Parasites can sometimes transfer their genetic material directly to the host's genome through a process called horizontal gene transfer, where DNA is exchanged between organisms that are not directly related. If a parasite infects the host germinal cells, its DNA can be incorporated and passed on to the offspring. Research has shown that the parasite responsible for Chagas disease can integrate into human genome, potentially allowing transmission to future generations. Wow. Wow. Whoa. My God. I know it's hard. Do not cry. Because I had to stop myself because I don't want them to lower my immune system, which crying is not bad, but that took a lot to absorb. Okay? So, we are walking around and we are continuing to be slaves to the same food that kept the parasites alive in our ancestors, because they have fused their genetic material with us. So we are 98% human, 2% parasite. And then we could go even deeper and say that's what the HR factor is. And that's why they test you for the HR factor. The rhesus monkey blood, that's what they call it, right? But we can say that we've tested positive for parasite in our DNA. And then you look at this kid, what the fuck wrong with this nigga? He got parasites in his DNA. Now, before y'all lose it and, want to fuck shit up, because I know, what are some ways we can rewrite the DNA? Okay? What are some ways we can rewrite the DNA? Diet. Food can communicate with the genome. It can communicate with your DNA, which can affect health physiologically and longevity. Okay? Some believe that processing difficult emotions through mindfulness, meditation, and can improve physical and emotional health, transforming your DNA. Chemicals and radiation can damage DNA and affect gene expression. Y'all, we gotta fuck this up. This is no more about, Oh, you eat this, you eat this. Y'all, this is enough. This is enough. These niggas just say so they can inherit our generation. It has to stop. The barbecue, it has to stop. We are not only damaging ourselves, our children are being mixed with fucking parasites. So that they can continue to want to eat raw sushi and be sick. This will particularly be the most important thing. The most important generation. Money is cool. Land is cool. All of that shit I still want you to go for. But this will be the biggest generational curse you ever break in your life. Not passing on this genetic material to your offsprings. Oh my God. Through diet, through home birthing, through non-vaccines, right? Through meditation, you have to reach your kundalini.